Welcome to my channel. I am Tutor Abbey. Please subscribe to this channel. Like, share your comments at the comment section. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever we drop an interesting video. Thank you. Today, I will be sharing a story about CHEW Olorunshogo with you, how he used his standing orders to manage Mr. Bayo's difficulty in breathing and wheezing condition. Please note that the names are used for illustration purposes only.
Olorunshogo's Gentle Listen by Noah John Abiodun, Tutor Abbey.
In the bustling heart of Odoape, Kaba, Bunu, Kogi State, the primary healthcare center stood as a vital hub, a beacon of accessible health for every family. Here, Chief Olorunshogo, always impeccably dressed in his crisp white long-sleeve shirt, neat black tie, and smart gray trousers, greeted each day with a gentle smile and kind eye. His dedication to his work was profound, understanding that every life he touched fortified the fabric of his community. One particularly bright morning, Mr. Bayo, a familiar face from the community, entered the clinic. His usual cheerful demeanor was replaced with a noticeable weariness. "Good morning, Olorunshogo," he managed, his voice a little strained. "I've been experiencing a persistent cough with sound, an uncomfortable tightness in my chest, and I am breathless." Olorunshogo listened with focused attention. His expression was calm and reassuring. "Don't worry, Mr. Bayo," he said gently. "We'll assess this together. Have your seat. Please permit me to ask a few questions from my standing orders."
"How long have you been coughing?" Olorunshogo asked. "The cough just started yesterday after I sprayed a new perfume that I bought from Mrs. Abiodun," Mr. Bayo answered. "Okay, how often do you cough?" It's too often, oh? Always." Olorunshogo proceeded with the questioning, while Mr. Bayo gave appropriate answers to all the questions asked.
Before we continue, if you find this story educative and interesting, kindly subscribe to my channel now, drop your comments at the comment section, and turn on the notification bell. This will allow YouTube to notify you whenever I drop new stories of Olorunshogo's activities within his community.
Thank you for watching. In our next storyline, we are going to show you how Olorunshogo examined Mr. Bayo and administered the necessary treatment. Watch out for the next storyline. Don't forget to subscribe to Tutor Abbey YouTube channel. Bye for now.